Good afternoon, my dear students. All are fine? Yes. Now today I will discuss integration few harder problem. Okay. By method of substitution, standard integral, few harder problem I will solve now. Look at the board. See, question number 1, write integration. Okay. So write question number 1, integration dx by write x into x to the power 5 plus 1. How to solve? Integration dx by x into x to the power 5 plus 1. See, we can write here. So numerator, look at it, numerator 1 is there. So we can write x to the 5 plus 1 minus x to the 5 by x into x to the 5 plus 1 dx. See, nothing is there, only dx, so you can write 1. So x to the 5 plus 1 minus x to the 5. Okay? See, now integration. We can write x to the 5 plus 1 by this. So it will be 1 by x dx minus here x to the power 4 by x to the 5 plus 1 dx. Okay? Now 1 by x dx. All of you know log mod x. Okay? Or you have to ln x. Now minus, if we put x to the 5 plus 1 equal to z, so you can write 5 x to the 4 dx dz, so it will be 1 by 5 log of mod x to the 5 plus 1 plus constant c. Okay? Say log x minus 1 by 5 log, okay, x to the 5 plus 1 dx. Similar type of sum if we write here. Look at here. Similar type of sum. Question number 2, suppose integration dx by suppose x into x to the 6 plus 1 dx. Okay? So answer will be similar way. See, log x, shortcut method, log x minus 1 by 6 log of x to the 6 plus 1 plus c. This 6 is there, 1 by 6 log x to the 6 plus 1. Okay. Suppose here x to the power 7 is there. So it will be 1 by 7 log x to the 7 plus 1. Okay. All of you understood? Okay. Now, so right. Integration question number 2, right? Integration dx by x root under x minus alpha into x minus beta. Okay, root x minus alpha into root under x minus beta. So one rule is there, x minus alpha or x minus beta, anyone you put z square, anyone. Suppose both of root are there, so you put anyone z square. So right, x minus alpha equals suppose z square. So dx you can write 2z dz, dx twice z dz. Okay, now write, put the value 2z dz by x minus alpha z square will be z root under x minus beta. So x we can write z square plus alpha minus beta. This is cancel. So write 2 outside take dz by root under z square plus this part we can write, see, root alpha minus beta whole square. Now standard integral formula, integration dz by root under z square plus suppose a square. Okay? So all of you know the formula. Yes, in terms of log. So right. So it will be 2 log z plus z square plus a square. So it will be z square plus suppose alpha minus beta plus c. Oh, z square value all of you know, x minus alpha. So 2 log x minus alpha plus, so alpha cancel here, x minus beta beta plus c. So twice log root under x minus alpha plus root under x minus beta plus constant c. Okay? Z equal to all of you know x minus alpha z square. Just you put the value. Okay? Now next. Right, integration x square by x square minus a square dx. It is very easy sum, so you can write, look at here, integration x square minus a square plus a square, you can write, see, down minus x square is there, so x square minus a square plus a square by x square minus a square dx. So write this by this, integration dx plus a square constant dx by x square minus a square. Okay? So write x plus a square. All of you know the formula, integration dx by x square minus a square. So it will be 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus constant c. So write x plus a by 2 log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Right? Okay? Integration dx by x square minus a square. Okay? So x square minus a square plus a square by x square minus a square. So this by this dx, this by this. This is the formula, 1 by 2a log x minus a by x. Okay? Now, next. Right. Integration root under a minus x by x dx. Okay? So you can write here, put x equal to a sine square theta. Put x equal to a sine square theta. So dx equal to twice a sine theta cos theta into d theta. Dx equal to twice a sine theta. Again sine theta, dA will be cos theta d theta. Okay? Composite function. Now you put the value here, substitute the value, like integration root under a minus a sine square theta by x equal to a sine square theta dx equal to 2a sine theta into cos theta d theta. Okay? So right, a both cancel, 1 minus sine square, it will be cos square theta. So root is there, so it will be cos theta by sine theta. So right, cos theta by sine theta into 2a sine theta cos theta d theta. This sine was cancelled. So right, a outside take 2 cos square theta d theta. So you can write a 2 cos square theta. All of you know the formula. Yes. So it will be 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Okay? See, 2 cos square theta. A integration 1 plus cos 2 theta. All of you remember multiple angle formula. 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay? All of you remember, otherwise it is not possible. Okay? not possible. Okay, formula is very important. Okay, now just you put here integration a, this is theta, this will be sine 2 theta by 2 plus constant c. Just you put the value a theta here, x by a, sine inverse, right, sine inverse root x by a theta, x equal to sine square theta. Okay, x equal to sine square theta. So here sine square theta equal to x by a, sine theta equal to root x by a, theta equal to sine inverse root x by a. Okay, plus sine 2 theta all over 2 sine theta cos theta. So this will 2 cancel. Okay, so plus sine theta root x by a and cos theta will be 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so it will be 1 minus x by a plus c. Okay, and you have to simplify it. This is the answer. A sine inverse root x by a plus root under x by a, okay, minus 1 minus x by a. You have to simplify. So write a sine inverse root x by a plus a here, a this is a here, a also, both are cancel. So x into a minus x. Okay, plus constant c. Next sum. Right, integration, right, root x by x minus 1 dx. Okay, root x by x minus 1 dx. Now you put x equal to z square, so dx equal to 2z dz. Okay, 2z dz. So here you can write integration z square will be z square minus 1 dz. No, this will be z and dx we write 2z dz. Okay, x z square minus 1, so 2 outside, z square dz by z square minus 1. Okay, integrate 2 integration z square dz by z square minus 1. Now we can do 2 integration z square dz, so it will be yes plus minus change, so z square minus 1 plus 1 we can write z square minus 1 dz. Okay, now so this by this by this, so right, so you can write 2 integration this by this will be dz plus twice of dz by z square minus 1. Okay, dz by z square minus 1. Okay, now will be z square, so right, dz twice z plus 2 1 by 2a into 1 log of z minus 1 by z plus 1 plus constant. So 2 root x, 2 to cancel, plus log of root x minus 1 by root x plus 1 plus constant. Okay, next sum. So right. Integration, right, dx by 1 plus x square root under 1 minus x square. Okay. So you put here, this is given. So x equal to sin theta. If keep in mind, if root 1 minus x square is there, then you put x equal to sin theta or cos theta, and root under 1 plus x square you put x equal to tan theta or cot theta, and root over x square minus 1. Okay, root under x square minus 1 you put x equal to sec theta or cosec theta. Okay, so right, x sin theta. So dx we know cos theta d theta by 1 plus sin square theta, it will be cos theta. Okay, so this is cancelled. So integration d theta by 1 plus sin square theta. Okay, now how to do? Tell how to do this type of sum. Both sides multiplied by sec square theta. Okay, see, multiplied sec square theta d theta by, it will be sec square theta plus tan square theta. Okay, again this sec square you write 1 plus tan square. So right, so you can write integration sec square theta d theta by, so 2 tan square theta plus 1. Sec square can be 1 plus tan square. So now write again tan theta equal to suppose z. Okay. Now dz by 2z square plus 1. You know the formula, all of you? Yes. See. So you can write here, take 2 common, dz by z square plus 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 whole square you can write, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 2, 1 by a will be root 2 outside. Okay, root 2 tan inverse z by a, z by 1 by root, that is root 2 z, right? Root 2 z plus constant c. So it will be 1 by root 2 tan inverse. Okay, this is tan theta z. So root 2 tan theta plus c. Okay, so 1 by root 2 tan inverse root 2 tan theta, again you know sin theta equal to x. So sin by, so x by root under 1 minus x square plus c. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse root 2 into x. Okay, by root under 1 minus x square plus constant c. Now next sum. Right, integration x plus 2 dx by x square minus 3x plus 2. Say they are linear, here is quadratic. Okay, linear quadratic. So ddx of this part all into 2x minus 3. Okay, ddx of the 2x minus 3. So you can have 2x plus 4 dx, x square minus 3x plus 2 dx you can write. Okay, you can write. Now see here, so right here 4. Now half, we can write 2x minus 3 plus 7. 2x plus 4 is there, so 2x minus 3 plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. Okay, now write half integration this part by this part, so write 2x minus 3 by x square minus 3x plus 2 dx plus here 7 by this 2 is there half, so it will be 7 by 2 integration dx by x square minus 3x plus 2. So this is ln x, this part x square minus 3x plus 2, so write half log of x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, if we take this will be z, so twice x minus 3 dx will be z, dz by z log z, so log of x square minus 3x plus 2. Now this part plus 7 by 2, okay, say writing 7 by 2 half log x square minus 3x plus 2, okay, plus 7 by 2 integration dx by c. We can factorize this part, x square minus 3x plus 2 can write x minus 2 into x minus 1, so right x minus 2 x minus 1, okay, so half log of right x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 7 by 2, we can write here x minus 1 minus x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 1 dx, okay, 7 by 2 x minus 1 minus x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 1 dx, okay, so write half log of x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 7 by 2, okay, 7 by 2 integration dx by x minus 2 integration dx by x minus 1, okay. Now half log this part you can write x minus 1 into x minus 2, you can write this part, yes, plus 7 by 2 log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 1, okay, plus constant c, and you simplify it, you will get the result, okay. So next class I will do new chapter integration by parts, okay. Now all of you remember the formula and all of you practice at home, okay. Bye.